Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to Moonpay. First of all, you need to check that PayPal is available as a payment option in your country. PayPal actually supports on Moonpay, but it depends on your region. So once you have done that, simply log in into your Moonpay account just like so. Over here on the home page itself, you are going to see a buy option. So when you tap on the option of buy, it is going to take some time to redirect you on the top up page. Now here on the top up page, by default, Bitcoin will be selected. So you can tap on the Bitcoin option. Then you can just simply select any of the other cryptocurrencies which you want to basically purchase here on Moonpay with the help of PayPal. Over here you can select USDT, USDC, Ethereum and a bunch of other tokens. So let's say you want to buy USDT. So after selecting USDT, you need to enter the amount in US dollars so that it could show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. Once you have done that, simply click on the option of continue here in the bottom. After doing so, it is going to show you this type of page in front of you where you can provide your personal details like your first name, then your last name, then your date of birth and nationality. Then you need to press continue here in the bottom. On the next page, you will see the payment methods. So you need to select PayPal as one of the payment methods. Then you need to log in into your PayPal account and conclude that transaction. Once that transaction is completed from your PayPal account, the money will be debited and the crypto will be deposited here in your Moonpay account. So this way you will be able to use PayPal in order to purchase cryptos on Moonpay. This is how you can send money from your PayPal to your Moonpay account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.